Hey, what's up guys? Jonesy here. As promised, I'm going to be uploading as frequently as I can. I am going to try to start my 69 Mach 1 today. It's been over 100 degrees for the past week, and due to the weather, there was no way in hell I was going to come out here and try to start her up. I connected some battery cables to my battery, to the starter solenoid on the Mach 1. I do not currently have a battery. Was able to get the motor to unfreeze. It does spin freely now by hand. Double checked all the wiring, everything seems like it's connected. Hopefully she cranks over. I'm gonna give it a try. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. The radio is actually on. At least we're getting electricity to the car. Please start. Please start. Fail. Alright, I don't understand what's going on. Alternator. Says it has juice. Let's see. No. Still nothing. I'm gonna try now to tap on the actual starter. Hopefully that'll free her up and she'll crank over. Such a beautiful day out. Tap on the starter. I'm also going to tap on the starter from underneath. You're actually supposed to tap on the starter while someone else tries to start the vehicle simultaneously, but I'm riding solo right now, so I'm trying my best. Alright, please start, please start. All right, and that was a fail. I just don't know what's going on. Any of you guys out there that is currently trying to restore an older vehicle, if you have any tips on what this could possibly be, please send me a comment and let me know. I'll try it out. I mean, distributor wires are all connected. Starter solenoid, all the wires are connected. I put some gas in the carburetor. I checked all the spark plugs to make sure they were tightened all down. They're all tight. The motor spins freely. The only thing I could think of is either there's no spark actually coming from the distributor, to the spark plugs, or the actual starter is bad, or there's a ground wire somewhere not connected properly, which I'm not too familiar where all the ground wires are in this vehicle. So if any of you guys out there can help me out, please feel free to send me a message on YouTube through the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned. I am going to continue to try to get her started. I am also in the process of buying her new wheels so I can get her out of this dirty garage and out into my driveway where I can actually work on her with daylight. After I do get her started and do get wheels, next step would be a complete motor rebuild. From there, thinking about doing a transmission swap. Picked up a 5-speed for her. Want to get the true horsepower out of her. From there, I want to go headers, exhaust, brakes, maybe a big brake upgrade. And we'll just see where I take it from there. Like I said, I'm going to be uploading as much as I can. Hey, I tried to start it today, it's not starting. I am getting electricity to it. I just don't know why she's not cranking over. I'm getting juice to the solenoid. I'm hearing it, but there's no action. So like I said, anybody have any tips, please send me a comment so I can get her started. Once again, I apologize for my slurred speech. I'm currently going through Bell's palsy and my speech is very slurred, but I'm getting through it, guys. So stay tuned. See you guys soon.